A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on a web server. A web page is a document that is designed to be displayed on a web browser. Websites are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as news, education, commerce, entertainment, or social networking. Building a website is like opening a business in the real world. If you want to own a shop, first, you rent a space and give your business a name. Similarly, if you want to own or create a website, you rent a space on a server. Servers are special computers connected to the internet with software that helps it to store all the files of a website. This is known as web hosting. The files of a website include the codes, images, videos, audio files, and so forth. To host your website on the web, you will have to pay some hosting fee to a web hosting company. They allow you to upload all the files that make up your web pages to their server. You may not need to have any knowledge of coding or programming to design and build websites because all the technical aspects of hosting and serving up your content to end users is handled automatically by your hosting company. And you can decide to build your website with a web builder or content management system, which doesn't necessarily require coding unless you want to build some complex web application. When a user requests to view a web page on your site, the web server delivers the right content to his device. Every server has an address. This is called IP address. It is a string of numbers that allow computers and mobile devices to find and communicate with each other. For a user to find your website on the web, you need to choose a domain name, also known as your web address. For example, www.yourname.com. This is just like the business name you place at your physical shop to help people find you. When a user enters your web address on a browser in his device connects to the server that hosts your website. The device recognizes the server by its IP address, and the server recognizes the device by its IP address as well. The web browser on the device requests the server to serve up all the files that make up the particular page that is requested. The server searches through the files stored in it and serves up the right files to the user's device via the web browser. The browser in turn assembles the files using the codes or rules that were used to build the web page and displays the beautiful web page on the user's device. Each time the user clicks a button or link, a request is sent to the server and the cycle is repeated. The central page of a website is called a home page. This is usually the first page you see when you call a website up and can also be called the index page. The home page contains the links to all the other pages that make up the website. People provide a link to their website on their business cards, emails, or social media posts. When this address is typed into a browser search field, the home page of the website opens. Depending on the size of the website, site visitors can visit the website subpages. Links are used to connect HTML documents of a website. HTML is the basic building block of most websites and defines the structure of the web pages. Links to important web pages such as products, services, about, blog, and contact pages are usually combined in the navigation, also called the menu, and can be found in the header section of the website. They are displayed on every subpage of the website and not just on the home page. The menu helps the user to navigate the website and see an overview of the website structure.